morning, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning, we're doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. This car is absolutely beautiful. It has a little bit of an upgraded drivetrain. It has a 350 underneath the hood, just a nice running 350 small block. It's got a 350 turbo automatic transmission. It does have power steering and power brakes with disc brakes on the front. The car was body off, rotisserie restored. It's probably been done for 20, 25 years, and it still looks very, very nice. The body, the paint, the interior, the undercarriage is very, very nice on this car. It does have red epoxy primered floors. The frame was painted very nice when it was restored. The interior is very nice, stock appearing interior. The carpet's nice, the seats are nice. Jams, jam paint, steering wheel, instrument cluster. Now the instrument cluster shows just a little over 15,000 miles. And to the best of my knowledge, as far as the gentleman that told me it was his dad's car, and his dad passed away, so his mother said finally it's time to let the car go. But as far as I know, he said that those are the miles that are on the car since it was restored. And like I say, it's probably been restored for 20, 25 years. I mean, but you know, they did a really good job on it. Aluminum radiator, chrome brake booster, master cylinder, power steering pump, alternator, valve covers. Very, very nicely done. It's got a couple little touch-up spots right here on the front of this hood. We touched this up, had a couple chips on it, and just a couple other little small rock chips that we touched up, and honestly, I can't even see them right this minute. But the paint and body, super, super nice. Stainless trim. The bright work is very nice. It does have fender skirts for it. The fender skirts are color matched, and they are in the trunk, as well as a red boot for the convertible top is in there as well. Wide white wall, Coker wide white walls, factory hubcaps. If somebody doesn't buy this car soon, I'm probably gonna drop it down and put some 18s on it, or 18s and 20s, or something like that, 17s and 18s. I know everybody's got their own plans, but I try just to leave them stock and original, and that way I don't do that in case somebody says I want a stock and original appearing car, because once you drop it and once you put the wheels and tires on it, that's pretty much the way it's going to be. So I try to leave them. I don't think I'll have any trouble selling this car. I think this car will sell right away. I'm going to price the car at $109,900. I just sold another one that was pretty close to this car. Probably wasn't quite as nice. I sold it. It brought 102 or 105. So I mean, I think this car's right on the money. Starts right up. Dash lights work. Radio works. Signal. Bright headlight indicator. Wipers. There we go. Dome lights, interior dome lights work. I will put the undercarriage pictures on there on the website as well. And the top is a white top. You can kind of see the color of the top there. And it is in very, very nice shape as well. Nice, clean, straight. Body lines are nice. There was one small little chip that we touched up there, and then one small little one we touched up right there. Say a couple little chips, you know, I mean, what you're gonna have. I mean, the car's been driven a little bit. And I like the fact that it's got a little bit of a upgraded drivetrain. You know, I like the 3-speed, at least a 3-speed automatic transmission in these cars. That way you can go down the road, you know, 65, 70 mile an hour down the interstate with them. You know, the power glides are okay, but they're not, you know, they're just not the same as a 3-speed training. Very nice day for a cruise. I think you probably heard me say this in another video, driving a convertible top down. I just go out, head west side of town and just keep going. Just don't even turn around. Just say see you later for the day, huh? Runs great, drives great. And then I knocked the pin out of the visor, and the visor came down. Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. I probably had 6 or 7 of these cars in the last, I don't know, year and a half, 2 years. You know, I try to buy them. I try to buy all the nice ones when I find them because they sell really well. You know, the 57 Chevrolet is probably one of the most iconic classic cars of all time. Again, give us a call, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. This car won't be around long. I had a gentleman that was going to buy the car, and he's like, "Oh, I don't think it was rotisserie restored." And I put it back up on the hoist, and took pictures of it, sent it to him, and I don't know if he still believes that it was rotisserie restored. I told him, I said, well, they didn't come like that from the factory. It's not that nice, you know, from 1957. So anyway, that's why it's for sale. So somebody's going to be able to snag it, because I bought it and he wanted to buy it right away, so I didn't advertise it, but now it's getting advertised. Bit of hesitation when you first started off there, and I'm going to put 5 gallon of fresh fuel in it. The car probably hasn't been driven much at all in the last couple of years, so it just needs to get out and get exercised a little bit. That's what she needs. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Those of you who have, thank you very much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.